Chapter 1. The main parts of our body: forehead, teeth, lips, tongue, head, eyes, ear, nose, shoulder, chest, arm, thumb, finger, neck, wrist, elbow, stomach, thigh, leg, knee, heel, foot. Our body is made up of different parts. The main parts of our body are the head, neck, shoulders, chest, stomach, arms, and legs. We have one head. The head is covered with plenty of hair. We have one nose and one mouth. We have 2 eyes and 2 ears. We have 2 arms and 2 legs. The hand is the lower part of the arm. One hand has 5 fingers. Both the hands have 10 fingers. The foot is the lower part of the leg. Each foot has 5 toes and a heel. So both the feet have 10 toes and 2 heels. Our grandparents, parents, brother or sister live together in our home. They all have a head, 2 eyes, 2 ears, a nose, 2 arms, and 2 legs. Remember, the parts of the body are head, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, neck, shoulders, back, chest, arms, hands, fingers, stomach, legs, feet, toes, and heels. Will you remember that? Good.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें। ऐसे ही और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल होम रिवाइज को सब्सक्राइब करें।